Hello lovely people, welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you a quick dinner under 30 minutes. Spaghetti in pink marinara sauce. Let's get started. I've put a pot of water on and then I've added a tablespoon of salt and I add in 2 pounds of spaghetti and then I'll give it a mix. So in a pot, I'm adding about a quarter cup of oil. You can use any oil of choice. And I've cut up a medium-sized yellow onion and then I'll give it a mix. And without wasting time, I'll add in about 4 cloves of garlic already cut up and then I'll give it a mix. I'll leave my onion and garlic to cook for about 5 minutes and then I come in with my pasta sauce. Yes, and then I'll give that a mix as well. This is a quick dinner that I put together as soon as we came back from a trip, guys. Alright, so then I've given it a stir and then I'll cover to let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll give it another stir and then let's move over and check our pasta. My pasta is cooked to al dente, so I'll go ahead and strain the water and then I'll sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or oil on my spaghetti and then I'll give it a mix and set it on the side. And guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. I'll then go ahead and check how far the sauce is coming, and it's coming along pretty good. So now it is time to season the sauce. I'll go ahead and put a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a teaspoon of pepper flakes, and then I'll give everything a mix. Yes, this is all you need for this delicious and amazing dinner. Yes, and then we'll cover and leave that to simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, I'll go ahead and add a cup of heavy whipping cream and then half a cup of whole milk. You can also use 2% milk, that's no problem, and then we'll give it a mix. So the heavy whipping cream and the milk together with the marinara is what makes the sauce pink marinara sauce. Yes, and it is an amazing sauce, guys, so delicious. All right, so I've covered to let that simmer for about 5 minutes and then I'll go ahead and give it a mix after 5 minutes. And you want to cook this on a very low medium heat. I went ahead and covered to simmer for another 5 minutes and then I will give it a stir. Yes, so once your cream goes in together with the marinara sauce, you just want to let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. But you have to stir periodically. And then I went ahead and added a quarter cup of mozzarella cheese. And then guys, I'm giving it a stir. Without wasting time, my spaghetti goes into the sauce and then everything gets mixed together. Guys, this is a no meat dinner. Yes, it was pretty late and I didn't want us to eat fast food. So I said, hey, we'll put something together as soon as we get home. And this is what I came up with. And it was so delicious. So guys, if you like your spaghetti more saucy, I recommend you double the recipe for the sauce. I went ahead and garnished my spaghetti with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And I've also sprinkled some dry parsley on it. And then I'm covering it to let the vapor melt the Parmesan cheese. And then guys, we'll be enjoying it with some garlic bread and dinner is served. Everybody was super excited. At least we didn't have to eat fast food that night. And this was a delicious dinner and the kids loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. Please stay safe. Bye, guys.